Ngayon guys, nandito tayo sa East York, sa Toronto, Canada, kung saan bumubuhos ang napakalakas na snow ngayon. Sa mga oras na ito, it's 3:40 in the afternoon at ini-expect po natin mga kababayan na magtutuloy-tuloy ang pagbuhos ng malakas na snow hanggang sa madaling araw at ini-expect na ito ay aabot sa 15 to 20 centimeter na snowfall. So, hanggang sa muli, ito si Sir Alfred TV nagre-report mula sa Toronto, Canada. Keep safe. Mark! Ang lakas ng snow ngayon. Sobrang lakas ng snow ngayon, no? May snowstorm. So, expected na snow na babagsak is 15 to 20 centimeters. Kaya kita yung nag-build up na yung traffic. Ayun, no? Sobrang lakas ng snow. Nagsisimula pa lang to. Pag hindi natin alam kung may pasok bukas. Grabe. Medyo binibilisan natin yung yung lakad check. Paglakad natin nakaan tayo sa hangin, nakatalikod kasi masyado malakas. Grabe. May mga kotse pa na nadudulas na ganito. Ayoko mag-bus papunta sa school ba kasi mas takong bus. Kaya natin masundo yung mga bata. Wow. Mas marami yun. Oh my God. Parang maliligo. Yeah. Magkisimula pa lang po guys. Pag ganito mahirap mag-drive kasi dumudulas. Yan lang. Tingnan nyo. Grabe ang snow. Oh my God. Nasa halfway pa lang tayo. Ngayon na. Pagbuhos na yung malakas na kasunod tayo sa bata. Kasi lakas ng hangin. So yan, kung pupunta kayo dito, dapat masanay kayo sa ganitong weather. Sakit sa mata. So naglalakad tayo ng miso ba? 5 minutes na tayong galakad. Kasi sobrang lakas guys. Pero lang, hindi masyadong malamig. Mas snow lang talaga. Yan lang. Silog. What are you guys doing? You okay? Be careful.
Let me get it off for you.
Mickey? Mickey, can you hold this one?
Ow! Ow!
Don't turn on. Let's go, let's go.
So you have to keep holding this so we can record the whole thing. Hello guys. Welcome to the middle of nowhere in Antarctica. So today we're gonna go through a nice snowstorm in the middle of nowhere in Antarctica. And we're in the parking lot in the middle of nowhere in Antarctica. And there's a lot of busy cars. And we're gonna take the bus to the northern Antarctica. And we have to bundle up a lot.
Yeah. So that is place. Oh.
So guys, this is the middle of nowhere in Antarctica.
Oh
So
my
come
god.
enjoy the journey.
Margo, it's dangerous there.
And
We're going to play.
this is where all the traffic is. And by the way, Daddy, your phone is getting wet on the screen. Okay, at least you could wipe it out. Right? So the traffic is really busy, and I can barely see any trees.
Yeah.
And some places, especially no frills. McDonald's! And I can see McDonald's right here. And it looks like it's foggy right now. And we're on our way to the bus stop to bus 23. So let's just enjoy watching this vlog on Sir Alfred TV. Wow, look at this. Look at all this nice nature here. Look at all this nice stuff here. All the plants are covered there and there.
The camera should be steady.
It's snowing so much in real life than on camera. Look at all the roads. All snowy. And by the way, I almost slipped. Sorry.
Also windy.
And it's so windy right now, and I almost slipped again. Technical difficulties. Ooh, we're about to go cross here, and now we're gonna go farther in the middle of nowhere in our Antarctica. So this will probably take about 10 minutes long or something like that.
Have a great day.
Crossing the road. Crossing the road. Oh.
Almost. Uy, sakit sa mata kanina.
Oo.
Start pa lang to eh.
Mamayang gabi, mas grabe.
Oo. Kaya tomorrow, napasok ko ngayon.
Oh, baka walang passive, malamang na.
We're not going to school tomorrow.
I think so.
Like, probably,
Walang
probably
school
not.
bus, may pasok yung mga bata.
Probably not. Probably we're not going to school tomorrow because of the snow. Okay, going to the bus stop now. We're gonna walk to the bus. Sorry guys, just slipped. You're gonna watch where I go. Look at all the nice snow here. Look at all the nice snow here. Just all white. No need to worry. It's just snow. Alright? It's just snow. But if you live in Canada and you see this much snow, you're probably not going to school tomorrow because of all the deep snow. And by the way, 2 years ago, there was actually